And then I'll show you guys once the plate is prepared. Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video where today I will attempt to organize my life because as you may know, I'm in a new home, but not even after 4 days of being moved in. We had a vacation to Hawaii planned. Planned for 9 days, and with vacation comes a lot of dirty laundry, and I have no washer, no dryer, so I just have a big pile of dirty laundry in this closet right here that needs to get washed ASAP. But not only that, I also have an empty fridge because I didn't want to get groceries before going on vacation for more than a week, so I didn't even fully stock up on food. I have nothing in my fridge, and it's already 1 and I have not eaten, which is really bad. Please don't blame me, but I barely got home from vacation yesterday, last night actually. I went to bed, and then today morning I woke up, cleaned the bathrooms, and was trying to just organize my dirty laundry and unpack from vacation, and then also unpack from moving because I still have a ton of boxes that I have not unpacked. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing in today's video, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna be stocking up my fridge. I'm gonna go buy a washer and dryer, which I have done a ton of research because buying a washer and dryer is not cheap. So I wanted to make sure that I get the right appliances before I just throw away a bunch of money. So I've done a ton of research, and my best options right now that I have in mind are Whirlpool brand or GE brand for a washer and dryer. So we're gonna go check that out later today at Home Depot, Lowe's, maybe even Best Buys, and hopefully come back home with a washer and dryer because I'm gonna show you my closet right now. It is so bad, and my fridge actually. This is all of the dirty laundry I have. It's just a bunch of blankets from moving. All of this is dirty clothes, just vacation clothes that got dirty before I even left on vacation. It's just a ton of stuff that needs to get washed, so I'm just kind of hiding it there because I don't want to look at it. And then my fridge is empty as well. There's nothing. But yeah, I decided to bring you guys along with me, and as you can see, I got my new couches, and this is a sneak peek for you guys because as you guys may have seen in my last video, I gave you guys an unfurnished tour of the new home, and I mentioned to you guys that once my home was furnished, I would give you guys another home tour when it was finally furnished. So you guys get a sneak peek. This is my couch. I decided to get a white couch, but that's all I'm gonna say. And then we also got a TV. My bed comes tomorrow finally, which I'm so excited because we've been sleeping in a guest bed and I don't want to be sleeping in the guest bed. So I'm so happy that our bed's coming tomorrow. I'm gonna film some of that. I'm gonna take you guys with me to go get groceries right now. I have to cook. So first things first, I'm gonna go make a trip to the grocery store and just stock up on food because I have nothing. So let's go do that. Alright you guys, I just finished up there at the market. I pretty much got everything I needed. I don't think I have to run to another market, which I was kind of afraid I was going to have to do that. So I'm gonna make my way home now, and it was perfect timing because it's starting to sprinkle. So that's good that we got done with our market run before it started sprinkling even more. So let's go ahead and make our way back to the house and stock up our fridge. Ooh. This is what I smell right now. They came out with a fresh batch of pan and it smells so good in here. These are my favorite breads to get to make tortas. Look how beautiful this looks. This is the first time I'm ever buying this much groceries. Usually when I buy groceries it's because I was gonna make something at home, so I'll just get those specific ingredients for that meal. But this is the first time I buy like onion and lettuce, cabbage, chile de serrano to make salsa, pan bimbo cereal. Like, this is so fun. Nor and freaking sour cream, ham, cheese. This is so exciting. I got tortillas. I love tortillas. This is so fun, guys. You don't know how much fun I'm having. And it's raining. It's raining it's raining so hard outside. I think it's ice. Let me show you guys. What do you call it when it rains? Hail. It's hailing outside. Wow. But okay, guys, this is the last time you're gonna see this fridge empty, so let's close it and then I'm gonna show you guys the result. Hey you guys, update. I'm here in the kitchen. I got a little occupied, so I'm here making some tacos dorados de papa. I made my salsa de tomate to go with my tacos. And then over here, I'm gonna cut up some cabbage, cut a lemon because I like my tacos with lemon. But this is the update on the fridge. It didn't end up filling the fridge as much as I thought it would, but this is the fridge. And then these are my little like cabinets as well, my sauces. Just have a little bit of everything everywhere. This is my fruit bowl for now because I haven't bought a fruit bowl. But yeah, you guys, this is what's for dinner. Some tacos de papa. I boiled my potatoes, added some little seasonings. I made my salsa, which came out really good. Over here, I'm just frying my tacos de papa. And then I'll show you guys once the plate is prepared. I want Whirlpool. LG is a good brand apparently. Whirlpool. Ooh, look at this one. I like that one. Maytag is good. Whirlpool. Samsung is probably the worst brand you could get from what I've heard. Okay, you guys, so Home Depot couldn't give them to us today, but I think Best Buy offers delivery tomorrow. And they have the same ones. Hey you guys, update. It's the next day. I apologize if it's super echoey in here. That's gonna change because my bed is getting delivered today in less than an hour, so I'm so excited. I'm tired of seeing an empty bedroom and I want to decorate and do all of that stuff already. There is still a ton that I have to do, but this is just one step further.
Thinking, tried it all out with me and I didn't.
Hello.
Hi, they're leaving now. Let's go see what they did. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. Bed has been delivered. What do you guys think? It's obviously still missing the box and the mattress and the bedding, pillows, all of that. But that's what I'm gonna go do right now. I'm gonna make my way to Costco to go get a box spring because I don't have a box that goes under the mattress. So I'm gonna go check Costco. Wish me luck. I hope I find it so I can bring it home today because I already do have my mattress. This is it. rug in the living room. Looks so nice. And then over here we have our TV on the floor, but at Costco we actually found a little TV box that you put under. So we're gonna put that right now too, and I'll show you guys the result.
We've had enough of this nonsense.
Yeah. Oh, okay. My guy's getting to it. That's right. I'm sure you deserve it, dude. Yeah. So probably we'll want to lay this one down.
Lay down for the.
That's the one that doesn't have the base on it. Hell yeah. I feel like this is a hit on it. And then this one has shipping bolts in the back.
Shipping bolts?
Yeah. So basically they're there to hold the drum in place. There's a picture of it right here.
Yeah.
We got our washer and dryer. Hey you guys, update. I wanted to show you guys our washers because they've finally been installed, and I'm actually washing a load right now. This is the little laundry room. It's inside the garage, and I'm definitely gonna make this look more appealing, but for now these are our washers. I ended up getting Whirlpool, and then to the right of that I have this cabinet where for now I'm just getting my soap from, and then I put a bunch of stock stuff here. But I want to show you guys the big pile of laundry that I have. It is so much. I have all of this. It's all vacation clothes, a bunch of blankets, pillow covers, so much clothes that has just been piling up and up. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put everything in its pile and then just start washing it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my washer and dryer. I have yet to use the dryer, but my washing machine is already washing something. And I will obviously keep you guys updated for when I renovate this. I've seen a lot of inspiration, and I want to put like a board right here, maybe put some peel on tile, and probably get rid of these even though I kind of like these, or maybe paint them another color. I just want to do something so that it looks more appealing. But yeah.